Good morning, friends from Singapore. As I said in the last video, we were on our way to Bali from Bengaluru and did a stopover here in Singapore for 3 days, staying at the Hilton in Little India. Came here for breakfast the next morning. So we have an elaborate breakfast spread over here, consisting of continental dishes, a lot of cornflakes, sweet corn, variety of fruits, and breads too. Some juices over here. We have some momo kind of stuff, cut fruits and varieties of yogurts. There is Starbucks freshly brewed coffee as well, which will give you a kickstart for the day. This is the view from the restaurant, and that's the seating area. So I just took these items for breakfast: some lemon rice omelette and some cake, as well as yogurt. This is the restaurant swimming pool. Which is attached to the restaurant, in fact. That's the hotel swimming pool. So, taking a metro to Singapore Zoo. It's a bit far off from the city, about an hour's ride on the metro, and then there is a zoo safari bus taking you to the zoo entrance. That's the main entrance and ticketing counter. So we have booked the ticket online. Cost around 3,000 Indian rupees per head. That's the chimpanzee for you. So the Singapore Zoo is a worthy attraction to visit if you are in Singapore. So they have these rides where you can hop on and hop off at different spots, like different animal enclosures. You can also witness animal feedings. These are rhinos. And zebras over here. So there is a plethora of wildlife sightings that you get in the Singapore Zoo. That's the leopard. And this is the cheetah. There are a couple of them which we could spot resting in the hot sun. It was very humid when we visited. These are the wild dogs. This is the month of April, so it was very humid. These are the African painted wild dogs. So it's about lunchtime, so heading to the restaurant inside the park. Just took some Indian pulao, like biryani, in fact. So after that lunch, we finished our zoo tour and came over to the Singapore Flyer in the late afternoon. So Singapore Flyer is the giant wheel that you can find, which is similar to the London Eye. So we had again booked the tickets online for this. It cost about 1500 Indian rupees per person. So on the way you can actually find this type of depictions and videos about the place and also about Singapore. Proceeding to the capsule. This is the capsule. It's an AC cabin which will revolve around the giant wheel. Very pleasant ambience in this area. Looks like a shopping mall. So the capsule just keeps on moving slowly and people just get in and get out. So this is the bird's eye view that one will get as the capsule climbs up. That's the Opera Theatre of Singapore. Singapore Strait and the other side of Singapore city. This is around 5 p.m. in the evening, so it's a very pleasant time to be here. The weather is nice, in fact. No clouds. This is the exhilarating view of the Singapore Bay. That's the Marina Bay sands. That's the superb view of the Singapore Bay. Breathtaking, simply. And that's the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Marina Bay Sands in the background. So as she is announcing, this is the highest point of Singapore that we reached, and that's the 360-degree view of the city. Simply breathtaking. So the Singapore Flyer is one of the highly recommended tourist spots and is a must visit when you are in Singapore.
Marina Bay, on 690 hectares of land reclaimed in the 1970s, Singapore's central business district.
So that's the view of the Singapore CBD. A panoramic view of the central business district. That's the distant view of the Fullerton Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel. This is the close-up view of that Fullerton Hotel. And just in the front of it is the world-renowned Singapore Merlion, that white lion structure emitting water. So that's the Merlion waterfront, which is a must visit in Singapore. And after that flyer visit, we came over to the Merlion, which is a very famous landmark, iconic landmark in fact, and you get a direct view of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel here. So there is an array of restaurants lined up here in the waterfront area, so you can just relax and have your lunch or dinner gazing through the Marina Bay sands and the Singapore Bay. So just bear in mind that it can get super crowded here at times. That's the Merlion for you. So the Singapore Merlion's half fish structure symbolizes Singapore's heritage as a fishing village known as Temasek, and it has the other half as a lion. So that's the water fountain emitted by that half lion, half fish, which is called Merlion. So evenings are a very pleasant time to come over here and spend quality time with your loved ones or even alone. That's the Marina Bay sands lighted up as we approach the twilight hour here in Singapore. It's about 7 p.m. in the evening. So there is also a nice foot-over bridge where you can walk across. So this is the foot-over bridge which I was talking about. So that's all in this vlog, folks. See you in the next one. Take care and thanks for watching.